Hi everyone, so much has happened over the past week that I'm really going to break it down into 2 videos this week, not just one. The amount of amazing new generative AI tools that came out are absolutely incredible. From the new generative AI photo to video models to lip syncing of images right through to what you can do with all of these audio tools. Now I'm going to go over all of these in another video where I will put together an entire pipeline for you to learn how to build your own workflow. There were also so many pieces of interesting news that came out that I am going to tackle in this video. Now if you're new here, my name is Ben Silverman, and I focus on simplifying AI for all creative people. I have a newsletter that I put out once a week, and I'm actually revamping my AI toolbox currently. You can check out the revamped look as I build in public. It is slowly coming together. It is not done yet, but I am going to put it out there for you guys to use. I am adding tools regularly, and there are a lot more that I am working on adding, but you can use it as I am doing so. I'm really focused on making this your hub for everything AI for creatives, including tools, other newsletters, news, inspiration, automations, literally everything it has taken me a year and a half to put together, build, and curate. I'm gonna just give it to you. You name it, it will be there where you can find it. Now keep checking back for updates, as I will be updating it regularly. If any of this is useful to you, please hit that subscribe button to stay informed. All right, let's dive right in. Social media is being infused with AI that might be good for some and, well, frustrating for others. So TikTok just introduced new AI tools for businesses and agencies as a part of its Symphony suite of tools. Now they've launched their digital avatars where brands can use these avatars to have conversations with followers directly. I guess they decided that it's better than hiring people to do so. You can pick between a stock or a custom bot to answer questions, and they can do this in 30 different languages. You just prompt the type of person you want, and they will generate options for you to choose from. They also launched out a translation tool called Symphony AI Dubbing, where you'll be able to detect the original language in a video, transcribe it, translate it, and produce a dubbed version in any selected language. They're also adding an advisory board to understand AI in creative marketing more. Okay, so Butterflies is a social network that has been out for a little while now already, and it's raised $4.8 million from tech investors. Similar to Instagram, you're going to be able to post photos and videos, but with a twist. When you sign up, you can create an AI character, or a butterfly, that starts generating photos and interacting with other accounts on its own. They're designed to coexist with human accounts. Now this one has me a bit confused. I'm not sure who would actually want to be on a network where you have absolutely no idea who is real or not, and they want that, and why you would want to see photos of a fake person talking about their fake day or walking their fake dog. Not quite sure, but I'm okay for anyone to prove me wrong. Snapchat is continuing down their road in the AI game, talking about a new feature they have where you can take a prompt and turn it into a new lens. This will take place on device, and it will basically be a video of you in an augmented world with a background generated by AI. It will also put you in a style of how your background is generated and what that's going to look like, so it's going to affect your face and your features and your style, really. Now that sounds pretty cool, actually. They are also working on the ability to generate 3D assets, face masks, textures, and even 3D characters that mimic a user's expression. Now I'm really curious about to see where this one goes, because this one actually looks pretty cool. Instagram users are not loving the idea of having AI scraping all of their photos. Since Meta is training their AI on the photos and videos on their platform, users are getting really upset. Now there's a large argument here though, because the users who are getting upset are not paying for the ability to use any of these platforms, and they are getting a free way to express themselves, earn money, and gain a following. Well, nothing in life is free, right? These are businesses who are allowing you to share your work, art, brand, whatever it is on their platforms. You don't have to post anything to them. You don't have to use them. One point that somebody made to me was that if a user posts something made by an artist to share with friends, but didn't have the right to do so, is that fair? Well, again, nothing is fair, but that is true, and I think that is something that will definitely need to be addressed. In the end of the day, all the rules are in the terms and services agreement that you agreed to. You own the rights to the material that you post, but you give the company a non-exclusive worldwide and transferable license to host, use, distribute, modify, run, copy, publicly perform or display, translate, and create derivative work from your content. So are you canceling your membership today, or are you just going to forget that we said that? Meta keeps pushing out all of their new AI models. They just released new text-to-audio models and an audio watermarking tool that can detect AI in speech. They're also continuing their push for open source development. Their audio model is called Jasco, which can generate music from text prompts. And they named their watermark tool Audio Seal. This is really important, and I hope everyone incorporates these types of tools and finds a way to inform everyone of AI-generated work. 11 Labs just unveiled their creator tool for adding sound effects to videos. Now, they already released text to sound effects a while back. Well, not a long time back, but you know how this moves. But that is not what I'm talking about. It can actually take an uploaded clip, analyze it, and generate a sound effect for the clip automatically without even using a prompt. Check this out.
We'll then analyze what's in the video and then use our custom AI model to generate the perfect sound effect for it. It takes about 15 seconds. And so whether it's for a bottle smashing, a motorcycle racing through the street, or bringing to life your favorite meme.
Insane, right? Now it's doing this by extracting the frames of the video, sending the frames to GPT-4o to create a prompt to sound effect, and using that through the 11 Labs API. They combine the audio and video and prep for download. It's awesome. Now check this out from Amar Rishi.
Son of Krypton, we'll see how long you remain a hero for these people.
World after world has fallen before me, just as your father warned. Earth will be...
Now, all of this was done with AI. He also used a few other tools that I'm going to go over in that other video that I'm talking about to deal with the lip syncing and image generation and all of that, but all of that was AI, right? Augie Studio is trying to turn itself into the Canva for AI video. Now, similar to LTX Studio, it is really trying to be your one-stop shop for creative images and video, audio, and sound effects. They offer you scripts and being able to edit all of your video and generative AI clips and then export to your final film. These are companies ripe for acquisition or even disruption when the big players enter the game and try to do the same thing. Are you ready for the world's first AI beauty pageant? I'm not really sure if I am. And what is beauty if all of these are just a bunch of images trained on beautiful people, and whose version of beauty is being considered? A list of 10 AI-generated influencers made the cut and will receive a $20,000 prize for the winner named Miss AI. The pageant was created by World AI Creator Awards in partnership with FanView, which is like an OnlyFans, right? All of these influencers have audiences, and really, it sounds like it is just a jumping off point for a company and possibly a cash grab. I personally actually think the ad that Dove put out on beauty in a time of AI is a real way to go. Some things shouldn't really be made with artificial intelligence. And I think there are so many beautiful people here that we should just leave these types of pageants for the beautiful people that are with us and use all types of beauty involved. Now, do we think that this AI thing is going away? Well, Nvidia just passed Microsoft to become the world's most valuable company. Over $3 trillion in market cap. The only thing to say here is that every company is relying on Nvidia to provide them the chips to even have the ability to play in the AI space. They're competitors, but not on this level. The more money they have, the more money they're going to develop and train and pull ahead with research and applications. They even are talking about software, which will be very interesting and could shoot this company way higher than even expected and be way more than just the world's most valuable company. They're going to potentially double what they've already got. So we're going to see where that goes. All right, Jensen, What's next? Now, OpenAI co-founder Ilya Sutskever, who left OpenAI recently, just announced a new startup to tackle safe superintelligence. In founding this company, they believe that the most important technical problem of our time today is to solve this one thing. I couldn't agree more. We've all seen this movie before, right? So that's it for me this week. Not it for this week, because I'm sure I've missed out a whole bunch of stories, and there's more coming out each and every minute. But check out the next video I will put out showcasing all of the new Gen AI models and Gen AI video and audio and everything, and building your own workflows. I will give you a tool in that video that you can come to and figure out, well, what works for you the best and how do you put all the tools together. All right, I'll see you next time.